Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you few books. Please watch the handwritings very carefully. This is book 1, this is book 2, this is book 3 and this is book 4. If your children are also writing in the same handwriting, or if their handwritings are not been able to be understood by their teachers and by your children themselves, if you're really worried for your child's bad handwriting, please do contact to Excellent Handwriting Tutorial. I have mentioned the contact number in the description box. Now my question to you as a parent is, when our children are going to school, they are having a set of syllabus. When they are not been able to write the same syllabus in a readable handwriting, in a legible handwriting, then what is the use? I think as a parent, it is a very high time for you to decide that you really need to help your children to improve their handwritings and find a better way to improve their handwritings. If you're very serious to help your children to improve their handwritings, then you can contact to Excellent Handwriting Tutorial and do watch my previous videos in which I have very clearly shown you all that how the children have improved their handwriting only within 1 month. Do watch my previous videos, and if you're very serious to help your children out to improve their handwriting, do contact to Excellent Handwriting Tutorials. If you agree with what I have said in this video, hit on the like buttons. For more such videos and updates, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. All the best. Bye-bye.